This is a video on how to use the ISC project template. Now the first thing that you need to do is you need to head over to your Google Classroom. Now you must open the classwork tab. From here, open the ISC practical project template file and you need to download this template.zip file. Right click on this and open in a new tab. After doing that, you will see a small download icon over here. Click this and let it download. After you have finished downloading this file, open this file up and extract it. Now, this is your docs file. You will require Microsoft Office 2016 or above to open this file. Wait for it to open. This template file contains the front page, the acknowledgement page, the contents page, and a sample program. Now, before you begin, you will see this particular dialog: protected view, be careful, files from the internet can contain viruses. I assure you this file does not contain viruses. You can even check it using virustotal.com. So you click on enable editing. And after you do that, this is a sample program that I have kept over here. Now, how should you paste the program from BlueJ into Word? Now, you could simply copy the program that you have written. Let's say string subsequence is the program that I have written, and you could copy it straight away here. But this doesn't look pretty nice. Even if you reduce the font size, you let go of the underlining, it still doesn't look that nice. So you would normally want your program to have line numbers on the side and have some sort of a neat formatting. Now, to do that, what you need to do is you need to open up google.com and search using this search text. So planet B, syntax, highlight, word. Now, after you've done that, open up the first link. Here, paste your code in this box, and from the language, select Java and click on Show Highlighted. Now, after you do, it's going to come up in a nice little formatted way. So what you do is you copy everything from here using right-click, copy, or Control-C, go over to your Word file and paste it. Right? Now, if you want, what you can do is you can change the font size of it so that it looks a little bigger. So I'm going to set it to font size 11. And I guess that's it. I guess that's it, right? So this looks nice. And moreover, you would require to format this. And I already have an output window here. Now, at the very beginning, what you need to do is you need to take a snapshot of your output. So if you run your program, you will get this kind of a window, and you need to take a screenshot of it. So how would you go about doing that? So you could do is you could run this. It's going to come up in a little window. You could resize the window if you want. I'm going to take about this size. ACCG, and ACCG is a subsequence of TACCG. Now, if you need to take a screenshot, what you can do as a shortcut is you can press the Shift, Windows key, and S button together. That was Shift, Windows key, and S button together, and this little window would pop up. Now, from here, you click on Windows Snip and you press on this window. What this would do is it would take a screenshot and you would get a pop-up over here. Click on this pop-up and you would have a chance to save this image file on your computer, and this is going to be your output image. So click on Save and save it to your desired location, preferably in a folder. For the time being, I'm saving it in my desktop. So let's say Java test. Well, preferably you should do is you should save the PNG file with the name of the class. So the name of the class was string subsequence. So you could save it with the name of your class, and then you simply, I'm deleting this for the time being, you simply drag it from here and leave it in the Word document, and that's it. This is how you should go about adding more programs in this. Every program must have a question, followed by an algorithm, and followed by the actual program that you have written, and lastly, an output. This is the structure that you must follow for every single program. Alright, so that was it about how to use the template. Now I've set up this document in such a way that the page number only starts from this page, the first question, right? So this particular question spans from page number 1 to page number 5. So that's what I'm going to mention over here. 1, 2, 5. And that's it. Alright. So that's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye for now.